In a world where innovation meets luxury travel, one name is daring to redefine the future of mobility. Welcome back to Luxury Wheels Review, and today we introduce you to the Toyota AeroLuxe, a futuristic motorhome concept that pushes design, comfort, and performance into an entirely new era. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a glimpse into how Toyota imagines the future of high-class road journeys. At first glance, the Toyota AeroLuxe commands attention with its sleek, futuristic presence. Its body is sculpted with smooth, aerodynamic curves, finished in glossy pearl white with deep black glass accents, giving it the look of a luxury spacecraft on wheels. A sweeping panoramic windshield blends seamlessly into the body, while slim LED strips outline the headlights and lower panels with a modern glow. Chrome detailing adds a touch of refinement, and the bold Toyota emblem at the front proudly anchors the design. Rolling on polished chrome wheels, the AeroLuxe is both elegant and commanding, proving that luxury travel can embrace style and innovation. Step inside, and the AeroLuxe continues its philosophy of compact yet premium design. The interior lounge is the first space to welcome you, and while it's not expansive, every inch is carefully crafted to feel refined. Cream white leather seating runs along the walls in a smooth L shape, stitched with precision and trimmed with chrome edges that glimmer under the ambient ceiling lights. The lounge has a minimal coffee table, styled in glossy finishes with metallic accents, perfectly proportioned for the space without overwhelming it. Subtle ambient lighting flows across the ceiling and edges, creating a soft, warm glow that enhances the futuristic yet welcoming environment. This is not the oversized lounge of a massive RV. Instead, it's a carefully designed compact living area that balances Toyota's sense of practicality with elegance. It proves that luxury doesn't always mean excess. Sometimes it's about harmony and restraint. Moving toward the bedroom, the same design philosophy continues. A compact double bed sits fitted against the wall. Its cream white leather headboard curves slightly to echo the motorhome's aerodynamic style. Chrome detailing frames the bed and storage areas, while subtle lighting strips cast a calming glow, making the space feel cozy yet premium. Storage cabinets, built seamlessly into the walls, provide efficiency without breaking the clean visual lines. The bedding is minimal and tasteful, soft textures against glossy finishes, inviting yet futuristic. The AeroLuxe bedroom doesn't overwhelm with size, but instead impresses with how well it uses space, offering a small sanctuary for rest that still feels luxurious. The kitchen area is compact but sophisticated, showcasing Toyota's vision of futuristic functionality. Glossy, cream white cabinetry with chrome handles lines the space, fitted seamlessly to create smooth and uninterrupted surfaces. A small induction cooktop is embedded into the counter, black glass contrasting against the pale cabinetry, while a compact fridge hides behind paneling that blends perfectly with the rest of the design. Above, slim chrome-trimmed compartments offer extra storage without clutter, ensuring everything is efficient and easy to access. The lighting is soft and practical, bright enough to make the space functional but warm enough to keep the futuristic elegance intact. This is a kitchen built for the road but designed with the refinement of modern minimalism, giving you all the essentials in a sleek and compact footprint. The bathroom is another showcase of Toyota's precision in design. The cream white glossy walls give it a bright, clean, and modern feel, while chrome trims run along the fixtures, reinforcing the sense of futuristic sophistication. A premium small sink is mounted neatly on the wall, paired with a sleek chrome faucet, and a compact storage unit is seamlessly integrated beneath it. The toilet is streamlined, sculpted with smooth contours that echo the exterior's futuristic curves. The shower area is separated by a clear glass panel, and above it sits a slim rainfall fixture in polished chrome, adding a touch of luxury to the compact environment. Soft LED strips glow from the ceiling edges, bathing the room in a warm, relaxing light. The bathroom is not oversized, but every detail, from the layout to the finishes, is carefully chosen to make it feel both high-end and practical. Now let's step into the cockpit, the command center of the AeroLuxe. Here, Toyota combines futuristic technology with compact efficiency. The dashboard is a sophisticated blend of silver and matte black panels, enhanced with subtle golden trim that accentuates its flowing lines. At the center is Toyota's futuristic steering module, replacing the traditional wheel with a sleek, illuminated unit featuring the brand's glowing emblem. Digital touchscreens dominate the dashboard, seamlessly integrated to display navigation, vehicle controls, and performance data in crisp, futuristic graphics. The driver's seat, upholstered in premium gray leather with precise stitching, offers both comfort and support, ensuring long drives remain enjoyable. The panoramic tinted windshield wraps across the front, delivering a wide, commanding view of the road ahead while reflecting the golden interior glow, making the cockpit feel like a futuristic pilot's deck. This space embodies the essence of the AeroLuxe: compact, efficient, yet premium and forward-thinking. Performance is just as important as design, and Toyota doesn't disappoint. While the AeroLuxe's futuristic styling hints at advanced powertrains, the concept embodies Toyota's ongoing commitment to hybrid and sustainable energy solutions. Imagine a power system that combines advanced hybrid electric technology with long-range capability, giving you not only efficiency but also reliability for long journeys. Smooth suspension and adaptive handling ensure that this motorhome doesn't just look futuristic, it drives like the future as well. Toyota engineers envision this not as a bulky road giant, but as a refined cruiser, able to deliver the comfort of a luxury sedan in the form of a motorhome. The drive experience is meant to be serene, quiet, and powerful, perfectly matching its elegant design. When it comes to pricing, Toyota has not officially released figures, as the AeroLuxe remains a futuristic concept. However, if we consider the materials, technology, and innovation poured into this design, it's safe to expect that the AeroLuxe will position itself among the premium range of motorhomes. Unlike traditional RVs, the AeroLuxe doesn't aim to compete purely on size or extravagance. Instead, it competes on innovation, design, and the luxury of a brand new vision for mobile living. Pricing could be estimated in the high six-figure range, potentially making it a dream purchase for enthusiasts who value futuristic design and the trust of Toyota's engineering. The Toyota AeroLuxe is more than just a motorhome. It's a vision of what travel can look like in the near future. From its striking exterior that looks ready to glide across highways like a spacecraft, to its interiors that prove compact can still be premium, Toyota has crafted something truly special. This concept stands as a bold statement that the future of luxury mobility doesn't have to be excessive, but instead beautifully balanced between design, functionality, and technology. And that brings us to the end of today's review of the Toyota AeroLuxe. If you enjoyed exploring this futuristic vision with us, make sure to hit the like button, leave us a comment on what feature impressed you the most, and subscribe to Luxury Wheels Review for more exclusive looks at the future of luxury vehicles.